It's weird to have a muggy night on Christmas Eve, but here we are. Nearly 50 degrees and humidity so high the fog is turning into rain. It's almost 10:30 when I hit the strobes and pull up behind a car sitting in the middle of the main road. Traffic's light, but people come blasting down this stretch ignoring the 50-mile-an-hour speed limit on a good day. This time of night, the street racers are pretty common. I leave a car linked between us, using my stripes and strobes as a traffic beacon, and in the worst case, a shield. She's stone deaf and a little rattled. Heading home from her parents' house, it's only 5 minutes away. She already called her dad, and he'll be here soon. There's no emergency. But if she stays out here parked in the middle of a main road on a foggy night, someone's going to have a bad Christmas. I stay with her for a few minutes, and we wait for her dad to get there. I share my flashlight as we do some simple diagnostics and confirm that there's nothing we can do out here tonight. It's going to need a tow. Together, with her steering and her dad and I pushing, we shove the car up the road a ways and into the first parking lot we come across. Of course, it's uphill all the way. Nothing major, a simple task, but neither one of us could have pushed that car that far uphill on our own. Together, we did it in a few minutes. The whole thing was 15 minutes out of my day. It didn't require any special training or tools, and it didn't cost me a dime. But it sure made both their nights a lot easier, just by being there and helping out for a few minutes. Every year we come to the silly season and everybody starts singing songs about goodwill toward our fellow humans. Now that's great and all, but what about the other 11 months out of the year? Why can't we all just carry a few tools in our car, a flashlight in our pocket, and make the conscious choice to intentionally look out for people who are having a worse day than we are? We can. We can do better. This year, make one of your New Year's resolutions to put a simple little emergency kit in your car and to stop and help people when you see someone in need. It helps you, it helps your family, it helps your community. If enough of us do this simple act of goodwill, it helps our whole country, no matter what country you live in. This is who we are. It doesn't matter who you voted for, who you pray to, who you love, or where you're from. Every one of us has a rough day once in a while and can use a hand. We all walk a hard path. Be kind. Happy holidays, everyone.